Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. A faulty kill switch can prevent the bike from starting by preventing the ignition. In this video, we will learn how to diagnose the faulty kill switch by using multimeter continuity mode. So, in order to remove this, we have to remove the two star screws on either side of the switch kit. This is how it looks after removing the two screws and pulling it down after removing the throttle cable from the throttle handle. So this is a good chance to clean the switch kit. You have to carefully remove from the holder. There is a front brake switch. There are two wires coming from it. So that goes into the wire cover. So we can access those from the other side, that is on the headlight socket area. But for your reference, for documentation purpose, these are the wires. First we will diagnose the kill switch by using the multimeter in continuity mode. This is necessary because, as I said earlier, faulty kill switch prevents the bike from starting. To put the multimeter in continuity mode, now that the kill switch is in off state, there should be no beep and there should be more resistance. So if in a journey or some situation if you find that the problem is a faulty kill switch, we can cut those wires and short it until we reach a safe place. So now that there is resistance when the switch is off, now we will turn the kill switch on and check the continuity. So here is the beep. So now our kill switch is working fine. If the kill switch is faulty, there would be no continuity even in kill switch on state. Now let's see the wires. Green and white wire with red line is the self button, and the other wires is for the hazard. So brake switch wire directly goes into the cover. Again, there is a chance for us to loop the throttle handle or accelerator handle. For this, we have to remove the bar and weight using hex 5. I will remove the throttle handle and clean a bit with brush. If you have a degreaser or WD you can apply it and clean it. While making the video, I do not have the WD, so I cleaned the throttle handle and applied a little bit of grease on it. After applying the grease, we will slowly slide the throttle handle and attach the bar and weight. So for reassembling the back again, we have to see these two knobs that have to sit in the holder that is attached to the handle. So this is the holder slots I am talking about. Carefully we have to push the switch kit into it, else the whole switch kit might get damaged and will result in lot of problems. Before putting the switch kit into the slots, we have to put the throttle cable onto the handle. Coming to the other side, that is on the horn side or mode switch side, there is nothing to diagnose here. We just have two wires that are linked to the headlight, low beam and high beam. The entire switch kit here is complicated as it is waterproofed inside with the sealant, and there are wires for indicators too. So this is a chance for me to clean with a brush. So that is how you diagnose the kill switch and learn a bit about wiring. switch kits in Yezdi Adventure. If you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.